Mayonnaise is one of the many natural ingredients that can be used in your hair to make it super shiny and healthy. It contains egg yolks, vinegar, fatty acids, protein, and vitamins that are all responsible for its amazing hair benefits. Reasons why mayonnaise hair treatment is best for your hair. Treats head lice effectively. When it comes to dealing with hair lice, mayonnaise is one of the most popular treatments. Simply cover your scalp and hair with large quantities of mayo to suffocate and kill lice. Helps restore pH balance. The ideal pH range of hair is between 4.5 and 5.5. The vinegar or lime juice content of mayonnaise helps in restoring the pH balance of the hair and scalp. The acidity of hair prevents it from fungal or bacterial infections, thus keeping the hair healthy and strong. The use of styling products makes the pH level alkaline, which makes your both hair and scalp prone to infections. Helps promote hair growth. Mayonnaise contains L-cysteine, an amino acid that nourishes your hair and promotes hair growth. Due to its richness in protein, it can prevent hair breakage and makes hair look fuller and healthier. Aside from this, it also contains oils, egg yolks, and vinegar that moisturizes the hair. Helps treat dandruff. Because of its acidic nature, mayonnaise helps eliminate flakiness and dandruff and also controls sebum production, which is one of the leading causes of dandruff. Use mayonnaise to soothe the scalp and unclog and tighten the follicles, thus curbing dandruff. Provides deep conditioning to the hair. Due to its richness in amino and fatty acids, mayonnaise works effectively when it comes to strengthening and moisturizing the hair strands. Its oil content deeply nourishes the hair, treats split ends and revives dull and damaged hair. Helps tame frizzy hair. Fatty acids present in mayonnaise are intensely hydrating and moisturizing. With regular use, mayonnaise can smoothen frizzy hair and make it straighter. Defines curly hair. Mayonnaise is also effective at defining each of your curls and keeps our hair from looking like a frizzy mess. Protects colored hair. Colored and processed hair is always associated with damaged cuticles, which bleed out the color a lot quicker than healthy cuticles. With the use of mayonnaise, cuticles are smoothened and colors are sealed in. Protects hair from the sun. Mayonnaise hair treatment can greatly help you protect your hair from the damaging effects of the sun. It forms a protective layer over each hair strand to shield them from the rays of the sun. How to use mayonnaise as a hair treatment. First, you need to dampen your hair. Take 1 cup of mayonnaise and apply it starting from your scalp to ends. Massage your hair outwards from roots to end and let mayonnaise sit for 20 minutes. Thoroughly wash your hair using a gentle moisturizing shampoo hair after that. Do this once a week. Alternatively, you can use mayonnaise as a hair mask without rinsing your hair first. Mayonnaise and egg hair mask. Eggs are loaded with protein that nourishes the hair, improves its elasticity, and minimizes breakage and damage. Whisk 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 whole eggs in a bowl until you get a smooth mixture. Apply the mixture to your hair starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Wrap your hair with a hot towel and leave the hair mask in for 20 minutes. Wash the mask out with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Do this 1 to 2 times a week. Mayonnaise and olive oil hair mask. This mask is recommended for those people with extremely dry hair. Once combined with mayonnaise, olive oil helps moisturize your hair and treat damage without weighing your hair down. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup each of mayo and olive oil until you get a smooth, oily mixture. Apply this mixture to your hair starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Wrap your hair with a hot towel and leave the hair mask in for 30 minutes. Wash the mask out with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Do this once a week. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.